Hi, so we're going to start with our Dollar Tree mirror. We've already cleaned it, and we're going to turn it over, and we're going to take our napkin rings from Dollar Tree. They come 6 in a pack, and we're going to use 4 of these today. So we're going to take our napkin rings and we're just going to place them on the back of our mirror, and we're going to attach those using our Gorilla Glue or whatever glue that you have, E6000. They also have a fix-all glue at Dollar Tree that works pretty well as well, but I'm more partial to the Gorilla Glue. So I'm going to attach using our Gorilla Glue and our hot glue gun. And this is just for the video purposes. You guys can go ahead and do this without using the glue gun, but I'm trying to move this video along a little bit. And for all of our new subscribers, it's so great to have you guys. And if you want to see more DIY tutorials, please hit the subscribe button and that notification bell to see more DIY home, holiday, event, and wedding DIYs. And we're just going to hold those on our mirror using a little bit of pressure so that they may adhere to the mirror. So now that we have those adhered to our mirror, we're going to turn our mirror over. And we're just going to make sure we clean off any residue that we may have picked up while it was on its side there. Then what we're going to do is use our bling wrap, and we're going to go around the edges because we don't want to cut ourselves on the mirror edges. And by doing so, we're just going to cut the bling wrap into 2 rows. You can cut into however many rows you would like, but I'm using 2. So I'm going to cut into 2 rows, and then I am going to glue this around the mirror using a glue gun. And again, we're using our glue gun. We're just going to place some glue on the top row, and using that top row, we will adhere it to the top of the mirror. And just go all the way around with that, guys. Now we have our bottom mirror all blinged. And what we're going to do is take these love signs They're ceramic signs at the Dollar Tree, and we're going to place 4 of them on our mirror, 1 on each end and 1 on each side. And we're going to place it as close to the edge as we possibly can get. And try to center it as best you can. And I'm just eyeballing it. And we're going to use our glue gun and our Gorilla Glue to place these on our mirrors. They're directly being placed on the mirrors. And we'll apply a little pressure. And there you go. And we'll do that for all 4 signs. Okay, so now that we have our signs on our mirror, on the second mirror, we're going to take one of the push lights that they also have at Dollar Tree, and we're going to place that to the bottom of our second mirror. And it has the adhesive, so you just take the backing off and place it on. And we're going to take our mirror, and using our E6000 or Gorilla Glue or whatever glue you have, we're going to take our mirror and we're going to place that on top of those signs. We're not using the glue gun with this because we have to be able to move our mirror around to make sure that it's straight. As you can see, I'm just making sure that it's straight on all sides. And then once I have it straight, I'm just going to place something on top of this, something heavy, so that we can let that glue dry. And then we'll come back, we'll put our bling wrap around the top mirror, and we'll finish the project off. Very simple, very easy, and you will see just how beautiful this is once we're done. And here it is, guys. This very beautiful love display stand that you can use for your jewelry or your fragrances. I think it turned out gorgeous, and I have it lit up for you guys so you could see that. How cute is that? Oh my goodness, I love it. And I also took the liberty of making a small bracelet holder for your bracelets or watches. And I think it is so cute and pairs very well with this display stand. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. And as always, be royale, be classy, and be creative. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and that notification bell to see more DIY holiday event, home, and wedding decor.